In this video, you'll learn the most important C shell commands. C shell is the standard shell on macOS. A shell is like a programming language, but you use it in your terminal. And no, you don't have to be a math genius to use it. If you open your terminal for the first time, you're greeted with this: your username and your machine's name. The tilde means that you're in your home folder. So you are in the folder, but don't see which files are in this folder. To do this, you need to type ls. It stands for list. So that's our first command. To show also hidden folders, type ls-a. -a is an option for this command. I think it stands for all. Let's say you want to navigate to your downloads folder. Therefore, you're going to use the cd command. It stands for change directory. Folders in the terminal are called directories. Super fancy. So cd downloads. And now we are in the downloads folder. If you like to move to the parents folder, then use the cd space dot command. And if you like to move to your home folder, then just type cd. Oh, and if you forget in which directory you are, just use the pwd command. And boom, here's your path. By the way, pwd stands for print working directory. If you want to open for whatever reason your current location in the Finder, just type open space dot. And if you want to open a file, just use open and the file name. Speaking of files, if you want to create one, type in touch the file name dot the file extension. For example, touch subscribe.txt. And if we do ls now, we see the file we just created. Talking about creating stuff, if you like to create a folder, just use the mkdir command. It stands for make directory. So let's create a folder called subscribe with mkdir subscribe and move to it with cd subscribe. Now let's say we want to move our txt file we just created 1 minute ago to our subscribe folder. Therefore we use the mv command. It stands for move and it's our most complex command yet. To use it we need to type mv and then the path where the file currently is, and after that where the file should be. So mv /download/subscribe.txt space /download space subscribe/subscribe.txt. And the mv command can do something special. It can rename files. So if we want to rename our subscribe.txt file to never gonna give you up.txt, we use mv /download/subscribe/subscribe.txt space /download/subscribe/never gonna give you up.txt. And if we type ls, we'll see that our file is renamed to never gonna give you up.txt. To delete a file, we use the rm command. So if we want to delete never gonna give you up.txt, we use rm never gonna give you up.txt. If we want to delete a whole folder, we use the rm-rf command. So let's delete the folder we are currently in. Therefore we have to go to the parents folder. So cd space dot and then we type rm-rf space subscribe. But one thing before you go ahead and delete all files on your machine. If you delete something through the terminal, it won't be in the trash and can't be restored. As you can see, our terminal is quite messy now. To fix this, the clear command is used. So just type clear and the terminal is cleared. Now let's move on to the stuff that isn't essential anymore, but it's just nice to remember. Curl wttr.in/ the town you like to get weather information. Says whatever you want
in this voice.
Kill all dock will restart the dock and unminimize all your minimized windows. This next command, followed by kill all dock, will add a space to your dock. Next week we are going to learn how to do this and how to install software using Homebrew. So make sure to subscribe. See you in a week.